Guys, this is my 2015 bike check. I already had one up, but then my freaking niece came in here and started talking and trying to give me a phone to talk to someone, and I don't care. So, but yeah, this is my 2015 bike check. Start with the grips. Hold on a second. Alright, sorry, I thought I heard something. But I have Devon Smiley Fly Bikes grips. I have S&M Perfect 10s. I have a stock Sunday stem. I have a Genesis headset. I have Fit Forks demolition rig tire in front, Kenda contact in the back. Stranger Crooks rims, stock. Both rims are Stranger Crooks wheels. I have a Kink Pegs Primo hub guard in the back. A Sunday frame. I have a Kink Sexton seat. I have a Fit seat post demolition seat post clamp. I don't know what kind of bottom bracket. I don't know what chain. I got Mission cranks, Odyssey twisted pedals. I have a Odyssey Chase Hawk 25 2 sprocket. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm getting Shadow Valor tires in a little bit because my birthday's coming up. I'm getting new. See how this rim and all that, and it's all scratched everywhere? Because these rims, they're too deep, so it's hard to get the tire out, and you have to like pry them out, so it scratches it. So I'm getting just some Sunday Thunder or Lightning. The Sunday Lightning rims, I gotta lace them. And I'm getting Shadow Conspiracy Valor tires. I'm gonna get a new stem. I'm also going to, I might get a new sprocket, but I don't know. I'm gonna get just one of them G Sport front standard hub guards for the front, and yeah, that's about it, guys. Comment, subscribe, rate my bike if you want, but tell me what you guys want to see in the comments. Like ask me for an edit or what you guys would like to see or whatever, because it's starting to get warm here again. Hasn't been warm for just a little bit, but see, I don't think you can see that good, but see, that's just today. Yesterday, all these other days were hot. Today looks kind of ugly. I don't know if I'll ride today, but yeah, this is my 2015 bike check. Yeah, that's about it. Alright, I'll be posting an edit here in a little bit, like maybe a day or maybe today, but yeah. Alright, comment, rate, subscribe, like. Laters, guys.